Hello everyone and welcome to another video on idioms. Today we're going to look at idioms to do with the phone. The phone. So these phrases will help you with idioms that English speakers use when they're talking about the phone or they're referring to the phone or phone calls, something, or even messages. So the first one is to drop someone a line or a message. Drop someone a line or drop someone a message. This simply means to call someone or to message them. In the same way, you have give someone a tinkle. Give someone a tinkle. This means to call someone. This, however, shouldn't be confused with go for a tinkle. To go for a tinkle is to go to the toilet. And it's very, very colloquial. You should only use this with your friends. Another similar one is to give someone a bell. Give someone a bell. This doesn't mean to give them a present, it just means to call someone. And we also have to call someone up. To call someone up. Can you call them up for me, please? So we also use to get in touch with someone. To get in touch with. So this is just, again, this is to call or message or contact someone in some way. And then finally, it's worth noting that in English we use phone as a verb, to phone. Can you phone that person for me, please? So we don't always say, can you call? As you know from these idioms, we say, can you phone, can you call, can you give someone a tinkle? I hope you enjoyed these idioms, and as in other videos, if you want to practice using them, leave them in the comments below or contact me directly and we will discuss them. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. If you like this video, leave a comment, a like, share, whatever you like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.